The keyboard is on, and I'm getting no response whatsoever. Wow. Okay, I turned the computer off. I don't know why this light is flashing. Let me see. I'm not able to sign in. The mouse is on, but I can't sign in. I'm not even getting numbers now. I don't understand. I don't know.
Got this new keyboard. I am loving it. It comes with this little film that you can cover your keys so the dust doesn't get on it, and it's very comfortable on your hands. The material here, the leather where you would rest your wrist, is very much comfortable. And I had long nails not long ago, so for the girlies out there with long nails, this is very comfortable, just for anybody, really. Very easy to get used to, you know, with this design. So I totally and highly recommend it.